Rain, rain won't go away, 'cause it rains here most every day. We're singing in the rainforest. What a great place to be. Won't you come along with me? It's filled with features of creatures for us to see. We're singing in the rainforest. Up into the tallest trees, that is where we will be. All 4 layers we'll explore, emerge and understory, canopy and forest floor. Monkeys, snakes, and wild birds too are some creatures we'll meet, just to name a few. We're singing in the rainforest. Yes, that is where we will be, exploring it from A to Z. Come along now with me. Rain, rain won't go away, 'cause it rains here most every day.